got mana. And look at this. Manual Westinghouse. So this has to be moved so that it's under the interlock. All right. Here's the elevator. It is a Kaestner and Hecht Westinghouse. Anyway, let's go up. Oh wow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow down. Here's 9. Take it slow. More. There we go. Look at that.
And I believe, yeah, that's about as high as it goes.
I don't want to go any higher than that. All right. Go back down. That is 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on 1. We can bring it a little quicker. And stop. All right. So I'm going to set the phone right here. And we're going to operate the elevator. All right. So here's our handle. Let's go up. There's the first speed, second speed, third speed. I actually don't know if this has set speeds. This actually seems like it simply accelerates as much as you pull the handle, like it's like a potentiometer almost. All right, here's 9, slow down. Look at that, right on the dot. But anyway, let's move it down a little bit. Start going down. And off we go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow down at 1, nice and easy. And there we go. And you know what? We're gonna ride it a little more. So, as you can see, we'll watch how I pull the hit lever back, and we'll watch the speed slowly increase. So as I keep pulling the lever back, the speed of the elevator increases. And this is the top speed of the elevator. Pretty damn quick, if I do say. All right, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, I was a little over. Let's move it down a little bit. There we go. All right, now to the bottom. All right, 2, 1. We can live a little faster, but I want to be careful because I do not want to hit the bottom on this thing. All right, anyway, look at this beautiful cab.